The thing I love about this recipe is you can use any protein you like. Today we are going to use shrimp. So let's cook some shrimp. We got some white shrimp here, and we have a pot of boiling water. We want to make sure it's at a rolling boil. I'm just going to make sure we salt this water. Pretty decently. We can add other things to this water if you would like, aromatics, but we're keeping it pretty basic because the sauce we're going to serve this with is going to be pretty strong. So before I throw the shrimp in to cook, I like to have the landing zone. When we cook the shrimp, we're going to shock it immediately, so we have ice bath. Shocking it means we're going to stop the cooking process, so that way our shrimp doesn't overcook. Once we see some bubbles, we are ready to cook our shrimp. We're just going to add it in. So I put the bowl away from me, so if it does splash, it splashes away from me and I don't get burned. Just a couple minutes inside, and then we'll pull the shrimp out. The reason why I like to use a large pot when cooking something like this is because it'll continue to keep the temperature of the water high. If we have a small pot of water and we are adding something cold to that, the water at that temperature is going to drop significantly, and then it's going to take a while to come up to heat. So this way it's going to cook a lot faster and it's not going to get overcooked. So in less than a minute, since these are some tiny shrimp, they are ready to come out. Go right into our ice bath. You have some nice little tiny shrimp. You can use any size shrimp you like, and you can cut it down. We're just gonna use these baby shrimp, and then we're gonna put them whole in a roll like that. So now our shrimp is cooked, and it's chilled, so it's not going to overcook. Let's stop the cooking process. Now we're going to set this aside until we are ready to make our rolls. And then now we can make our sauce.